Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we read tackling a massive goal that feels almost impossible for so many of us, buying a house. That down payment can seem like a mountain, but I promise you, with the right strategy, you can climb it. In this video, I'm going to break down the exact, actionable steps you can take to save up for your dream home, faster than you think. So grab a notebook, and let's get started on building your future. First things first, you need a clear target. How much house can you realistically afford? A great starting point is the 28-36 rule. This means your total housing costs, that's mortgage, insurance, and taxes, shouldn't be more than 28% of your gross monthly income. And your total debt, including your mortgage, car payments, and student loans, shouldn't exceed 36%. Use an online mortgage affordability calculator. Play with the numbers, interest rates, loan terms, and down payment amounts. This isn't just daydreaming. This is creating a concrete financial goal. Once you have a target home price, you can figure out your down payment. While 20% is the classic advice to avoid private mortgage insurance, or PMI, many loans, like FHA loans, allow for as little as 3.5% down. Research first-time homebuyer programs in your area, too. They can offer significant assistance. Knowing your exact savings target, whether it's $30,000 or $70,000, makes the goal real and measurable. Okay, you have your magic number. Now, where is that money going to come from? It's time for a deep, honest look at your budget. I know, the word budget can sound restrictive, but think of it as a roadmap to your goal. For 1 month, track every single dollar you spend. Every coffee, every subscription, every late-night online purchase. Use an app, a spreadsheet, or just a simple notebook. At the end of the month, you'll have a crystal-clear picture of where your money is going. Now, divide your spending into 3 categories: needs, wants, and savings. Needs are your non-negotiables: rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation to work. Wants are everything else: dining out, entertainment, new clothes, and that daily latte. Your savings category is for your future house. This exercise will illuminate areas where you can cut back. You'll likely be surprised at how much those small, seemingly insignificant purchases add up over time. This isn't about depriving yourself of all joy. It's about making conscious spending decisions that align with your bigger goal of home ownership. Now for the fun part, or maybe the challenging part, cutting costs. This is where your budget analysis pays off. Look at your wants category. Can you swap restaurant meals for home-cooked dinners? Meal prepping on a Sunday can save you a ton of money and time during the week. Instead of expensive nights out, what about hosting a game night or a potluck with friends? Look at your subscriptions. Are you really using all those streaming services? Could you pause a few for the next year? Call your cable and internet provider and ask for a better deal. You'd be surprised what they lines offer to keep you as a customer. Even small changes, like brewing your own coffee at home, can save you hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars over the course of a year. The key is to find sustainable cuts. Don't slash everything and make yourself miserable. Instead, find smart swaps that still allow you to enjoy life while aggressively saving. Every dollar you redirect from a want to your house savings is a step closer to getting those keys. Cutting expenses is one side of the coin. Increasing your income is the other. This is how you supercharge your savings. Think about the skills you already have. Are you great at writing, graphic design, or social media? Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are full of freelance opportunities. Maybe you have a spare room you could rent out on Airbnb, or you could try pet sitting or dog walking in your neighborhood through apps like Rover. Driving for a ride-sharing service or delivering food on evenings and weekends can also bring in a steady stream of extra cash. The gig economy offers incredible flexibility. Even if you only bring in an extra $300 or $400 a month, if you dedicate all of that side hustle money directly to your house fund, that's nearly $5,000 extra per year. Think about that. It's like giving yourself a massive raise, with all the extra money going straight towards your down payment. It takes effort, yes, but seeing your savings account grow that much faster is the best motivation you can ask for. Now, let's talk about where to put all this money you're saving. A standard savings account is not the best option. The interest rates are typically so low that your money is barely growing. You need a dedicated, high-yield savings account for your down payment fund. These accounts are offered by many online banks and offer significantly higher interest rates than traditional brick-and-mortar banks. We're talking rates that can be 10, 20, or even 30 times higher. This means your money is actively working for you, earning more money while it just sits there. The best part, they're just as safe and FDIC insured as regular savings accounts. Open a new account and name it Future Home or Down Payment Fund. This psychological trick makes it feel real and helps you resist the temptation to dip into it for other expenses. Automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to this high-yield savings account every single payday. Whether it's $100 or $1,000, pay yourself first. This is the single most effective way to ensure you're consistently saving. You won't miss the money if you never see it in your checking account. This automation is the engine of your savings plan. Set it, forget it, and watch your house fund grow. Staying motivated on a long journey like this is crucial. You're going to have days where you feel like giving up, where that fancy dinner or vacation seems way more appealing than saving. That's why you need to visualize your goal, create a vision board, print out pictures of houses you love, paint swatches, furniture you want to buy. Put it somewhere you'll see it every day, like on your fridge or your bathroom mirror. This visual reminder keeps your why front and center. Track your progress. Create a chart or a spreadsheet where you can color in a bar as you get closer to your savings goal. Celebrating small milestones is so important. When you hit your first $5,000, treat yourself to something small that doesn't derail your budget, like a nice dessert or a movie rental. When you hit $10,000, do it again. These small rewards acknowledge your hard work and keep you from feeling deprived. Share your goal with a trusted friend or family member who will support you and hold you accountable. Having someone to check in with can make all the difference when your willpower is running low. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Every sacrifice you make is an investment in your future. So, let's recap the blueprint for buying your home. Step 1. Define your target. Figure out exactly how much you need to save for a down payment. Step 2. Track your spending and create a realistic budget. Step 3. Strategically cut costs, focusing on your wants and finding smart swaps. Step 4. Boost your income with a side hustle and dedicate that extra money to your savings. Step 5. Open a high-yield savings account and automate your deposits. And finally, Step 6. Stay motivated by visualizing your goal and celebrating your progress along the way. It's a lot of work, but breaking it down into these manageable steps makes it achievable. You can do this. That feeling of walking into your very own home for the first time will make every single sacrifice worth it. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope these tips have left you feeling empowered and ready to start your home buying journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on more content to help you win with your money. Do you have any other great savings tips for a house? Drop them in the comments below. Let's help each other out. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.